Hello everyone, today we are going to look at counting repeated entries using stata. In longitudinal data, it may be important to establish the number of times a certain observation has been captured. For example, we have a sample set of data that has two entries. One is the unique ID, in this case it's person's ID. The next one is diagnosis that has been made for that particular individual. So looking closely at this dataset, we can visibly see that some people have visited the particular facility several times. For example, person ID 844960 appears several times on that list. Again, person ID 81980 appears 2 times in that particular list. So we might want to establish how many times each person's ID appears in that particular list. To do this, stata becomes handy to help count for all the visits that has been made by each person's ID. So the first step to do is sort the data using the unique ID using the syntax sort person ID, and this will group all the common person's ID together. And looking at the example given, you will realize that all the batched person's ID, some of them appear several times and others appear just once. So to know how many times each person's ID appears into the given dataset, use the code below to generate the number of repeated counts for each unique ID. So the syntax is by person ID sort, then generate a new variable within which you will know how many times each person ID appears in that particular dataset. So in this case, we have visits 2 is equal to underscore a small n. After running that code, all the person ID that will be grouped together, you will realize that each one will be assigned a cumulative number depending on the number of times that particular person's ID appears in the list. So from our example, we have the person ID 844960 appearing 7 times. We have person ID 81980 appearing 2 times. The rest of the person's ID next to 81980 appears once each. I hope you have found this helpful. Thank you for listening. If you like the presentation, please subscribe and like in the link provided below.